Welcome to H Gamer Reload. Previously on Speed Build, we made the Alamosaurus enclosure, but now we're going to start our first aquatic, the goat, the Megalodon. These are our free enclosures. Yeah, guys, do you think Paleozoic or Mesozoic creatures belong in Jurassic World Evolution free? Yes or no? Comment down below. Oh, I did not mean to put that there. If I accidentally misclicked. And guys, if the Megalodon was real, would you still be swimming in the oceans? Because me, I would, because I know they cannot go like into the shallow waters. And guys, what aquatic creatures do you want to come to Jurassic World Evolution free? Do you think Paleozoic creatures and Mesozoic, like the woolly mammoth, saber-toothed tiger, will come to Jurassic World Evolution free? And comment down below what you think, because that would be so cool. And guys, this weekend I'm going live on YouTube. Megalodon, the goat. Let's do 2 regulars. Some black. I think these are the tiger shark looking ones. Now let's make some hills. Yeah, inside of this enclosure, what we're working on right now, it'll be Suchomimus baryonyx, concavenator, one of those 4 species. Now let's flatten it out. Yeah, so we'll flatten this whole area, make the terrain come up to here. So we'll make this all flat. And guys, how's your first week of school, everyone? Because my first week is okay. Now let's release the Megalodons. Oh yeah, I didn't do this part yet. I forgot about this part. Yeah, our next speed build will be Quetzalcoatlus because it's my favorite aquatic dinosaur in the game. I mean, favorite flying thing in the game. Yeah, Quetzalcoatlus is so cool. Yeah, so we'll make this huge mountain. To separate the enclosures when I work on those species. Ooh, Quetzalcoatlus could go here. That And guys, we'll put Quetzalcoatlus on the side, maybe. Now let's release the Megalodon. Ooh, that release animation is so scary. Ooh, let's watch this one too. Ooh, this is also scary. Who do you think will win in the fight, Dunkleosteus or Megalodon? Because I think Megalodon would win, but Dunkleosteus is more armored. Now let's add some seaweed. Oh yeah, wrong section. Ooh, there is. It looks like a tiger shark. That's like what I was hoping for it to look like. Yeah, we'll add seaweed everywhere. Yeah, I really hope in Jurassic World Evolution 3 there's more variety for aquatic decorations. Good thing modular building is coming to Jurassic World Evolution 3. Yeah, so here's our first ocean. Yeah, seeing the Megalodon would be so scary. In real life. And guys, it's so weird how people think the Megalodon is still alive when it isn't. And guys, comment down below if you think Megalodon's still alive or not. And guys, we're gonna react to some of those videos if Megalodon's still alive. But we're gonna do that this weekend or eventually. If I don't do it this weekend, we're gonna do it soon. Now let's release some more. Ooh, very scary. I think the Megalodon only has 2 release animations, 2 versions. Ooh, this looks nice. This is a nice skin. The final skin. I mean the final Megalodon. Ooh, scary. Ah. And here's our Megalodon enclosure. Everyone please like and subscribe to see the Quetzalcoatlus video. And you guys can vote on the next creature to get a habitat. See you later. And get a bigger boat.